Hello everyone, I am Love and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Where there is a hill, there is a temple. Very much true about the hills in India. So, this time let's travel to a cave temple built on top of a hill known as Kailasagiri. Not only temple but also there are other surprises on the go. A great place for photography, this place is full of rocks. This is also a not so crowded weekend getaway from Bangalore. Let's jump into the route and other details. This is situated at Chikkaballapura district, Karnataka. Distance from my place is 70 km, which is in Whitefield, Bangalore. This place is mostly known for trekking, cave temple and reservoir. Best time to visit is mostly during winters, preferably in the mornings and evening as it will be too sunny during the midday. Estimated travel time is 2 hours. The temple timings are 9:30 am to 8 pm. Pujas and rituals are performed here. We parked our vehicle near the entrance of the temple, where the stone paved path begins. The beautiful stone paved path will take you to the top where the cave temple is. Though I saw few old age people, I felt it would be difficult for aged people. This spot is best for youngsters and kids. I heard trekking is also an attraction here. We did not go for it anyways. Just below the huge rock, there are blue metal gates doors which are the entrance of cave temple. This cave is a recent man-made construction and it is still going on. The deities are Sri Jagadambe, Sri Vallabha Ganpati and Sri Shivlinga with faces carved on 4 sides, which is also called Chaturmukha Lingeshwara. I must say how cool it feels inside. It's so refreshing. We took a walk inside and saw the main part of the cave. A stage and hall where people can meditate peacefully. Photography is prohibited inside. Still managed to click few videos. Once you reach the top, it's such an amazing view. The breeze makes you feel ease. The twin rocks sits together like someone has glued them many moons ago. It is believed that the Pandavas lived here for some time during their exile. Post this, as usual, we went to explore nearby places. There is a reservoir just nearby known as Ambaji Durga Reservoir. It's such a beautiful place with lake and rocks. It was a perfect place for a photo shoot. Anyone planning for one, note this place. We took a cam full of photos, enjoyed the view and tranquility of nature. There are few rocks where you can climb on it, ended up as an adventurous photo session. The beauty and the essence of this hill is that the caves are being made by humans and the idols of various gods inside this hill. Overall, it was a very adventurous trekking and a beautiful place. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos.